Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's stick with stocks and find out who some of the big movers are on this final trading day of the month with Bloomberg cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. Isabel, I know there's some news out about Alibaba today. Fill us in.
Alibaba is exciting. The ticker here is BABA or BABA. So the company reported a surge in revenue from China's AI boom. So this is really helping calm investors who are nervous about the fallout from really a worsening battle between its rivals, namely Meituan and JD, especially in the internet commerce universe. So Alibaba reported a triple-digit percentage gain in AI-related product revenue. They also reported better than anticipated 26% jump in sales from the cloud division. So that is the business most closely tied to the post-DeepSeek AI boom. You see shares now up by around 11.5%. They did jump 8% at the open, the most since March 5, and you see the stock continuing its skyrocket.
And what about Caterpillar? Because their shares are lower. They're down about 4% right now.
This is also a different story. Shares are down by 4.08%. The ticker is CAT. So Caterpillar is warning investors that it now expects tariffs to have a greater effect on its businesses, costing it around $1.8 billion this year. So this is important because the company is one of the world's biggest makers of machinery for mining and construction, so they're often really seen as the bellwether when it comes to global economic growth. And the thing is, tariffs already took a bite out of Caterpillar's second quarter results, with costs coming in at the top end of its estimated range disclosed in April. So really, it's a lot of kind of negative news now. We've been hearing a lot of tariffs during the whole earnings this week, from Victoria's Secret to Best Buy and all that. So Caterpillar is the latest victim.
And Dell taking it on the chin here, right? I mean, despite the fact that they beat on both the top and bottom line.
Definitely. Dell shares are now down by nearly 9%. Ticker is Dell, DELL. And in the open, actually, it fell as much as 11%, the most since April, but we've seen the stock pare back some of those losses. So the company booked fewer sales of AI servers than in the previous 3 months. The company also reported profit margins on the powerful machines, but it did fall short of estimates. So again, here we go again with the expectation versus what is actual. So the need for computing to run AI tools had led to a sales boom for makers of these high-powered servers. Think Dell, Supermicro, HP. But in general, investors have been concerned about the profitability of these AI servers.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.